Isha and welcome back to my YouTube channel The Obscured Me. Please do not mind my appearance. I'm just in my ghar ka PJs and ghar ka huliya. This could be the most random video on my channel. So actually I was just craving for those Chinese pakoda, the street style Chinese pakoda, and I was just going to make some for me, and I thought why not make a video out of it. So that's what we are gonna do in this video. And yeah, if you like the recipe and happen to try it out, then do not forget to tag me. My Insta handle will be linked down below. And if you like this video, then do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also press that bell icon for the notifications. So yeah, let's get started.